Hi guys! Today we're going to build a super cute miniature dining set. This set is finished in a simple country-inspired style. However, you can finish it in any color and style you prefer. The look I'm going for consists of a beautiful white paint job coupled with a glossy dark varnish top. Let's first get started with the chair. You need some square dowels for this project. We're first using a 1/6 of an inch dowel. With a miter saw, I cut two 2-inch pieces and two 1-inch pieces. Using wood glue, form those pieces into this rectangular shape. This will form the back of our dining chair. Then with some thin wooden skewers, I cut three 1.5-inch pieces. We're just going to glue those pieces into the open section of the chair's back. This will add some really nice detail. To form the seat of the chair, we'll be using some popsicle sticks. Grab 4 of these. Using that miter saw, I cut off the round end and then cut off a 1.5-inch section. We need 4 of these. Then just glue those pieces together. Then glue the back of the chair to the top of the seat. With another 1/6 of an inch square dowel, cut out 4 1.5-inch pieces for the chair legs and 4 1-inch pieces for the chair base. On the bottom of the chair, add wood glue around the perimeter and position the 1-inch pieces on each side. Then add the legs on each corner. For some support on the chair legs, I'm going to be using some craft matchsticks. Here's a close-up of the matchsticks. Cut 4 of them into 1-inch pieces. Add wood glue to both ends and place them between each of the chair legs. Here's a look at the finished chair before the paint job. To create a dark stain, I'm mixing some dark brown paint with some water. Paint that onto the seat of the chair. I make sure to stain the edges too. For a glossy finish, I add a few coats of polyacrylic. This is a water-based varnish and is less prone to cracking and streaking. For the rest of the chair, I use titanium white acrylic paint to cover all the bare wood. Here's the chair all finished. Next, let's build a dining table. The first thing you need is a thin piece of craft plywood. This is a 6-inch by 12-inch piece, so I only need to make one cut. I measured 3 inches and mark a line on both sides. Using an X-Acto knife, I cut along those lines on both sides. This table is going to be 3 inches by 6 inches. With some force, I bend and break the wood at those cuts. Sand the rough edge with some sandpaper. With a 1/4-inch square dowel, I cut 4 2.5-inch pieces for the table legs. Use wood glue to position all of these in place. Make sure to place them a little bit away from the edge. With an even thicker 1/3 of an inch square dowel, mark the length needed between the table legs and cut that out. Glue those into place. As we did for the chair seats, stain the tabletop a dark brown. You can build the color up in layers, so go slow here. Don't forget the edges on the underside of the table. I love how the stain brings out all the nice grain detail in the wood. Varnish the top with some polyacrylic. I added about 3 coats for this super shiny finish. Then paint the rest of the table in white. Painter's tape can help you get some really clean straight lines. And peeling the tape off is so satisfying. And there you have it, the dining set is all finished. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to see and make sure to subscribe for more. I have 2 new videos up every week. See you next time. Bye.